Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 29th to August 9th. For July 26th to 30th, this is what we're expecting the flow to look like. Let me try to move this up a little bit. Try to adjust this. All right, 26th to the 30th. And what we have a ridge we build here of the Northeast Pacific to Western Canada. And we have another ridge across the southern states. And a progressive flow here across the northern states over the western or the southern ridge. We'll send several systems here across the Northeast. We'll look at that, or across the northern states. We'll look at that at the system, at the surface. See several systems moving across here, and then that'll consolidate to an upper low here, which we just saw here across South Central Canada. The ridge over the Northeast Pacific will is forecast to shift inland across the west coast, bring in multi-day periods of hot temperatures across the northwest, with anomalies of 15 to 20 degrees above normal. That can last possibly into next weekend. Then we have a surface front here across middle Atlantic to the Central Plains, expected to be nearly stationary ahead of the next front, and then begin to lift northward as a warm front. And this could result in rain that could be heavy across parts of the central and eastern states, keeping temperatures down a bit. And then across the southwest, you see we still have the monsoonal flow moisture going on here, bringing heavy rain and storms. So with that said and done, oh, wait a minute. I'm going ahead of myself. Looking at the pattern now for July 31st to August 4th. July 31st to August 4th. We have a ridge here that remains over the Northeast Pacific and to the west. And we also have a ridge here across the southern states. GFS and its ensembles, as well as the European ensembles. Take a look at that. The various members has a ridge here off the southeast coast. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, we always get to this part and it's like torture. Calling for above normal temperatures here and for this region, and anomalies could exceed 12 degrees above normal across this area here, maybe as much as 15 to 20 degrees above normal. But otherwise, anomalies will be about will be near 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, that's the right map, okay. Calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is near 35%. Above normal precipitation forecast here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is near 40%. Okay, looking ahead, I think I'm missing something. Okay, moving ahead for August 5th to the 9th. A flatter flow is forecast across much of the country compared to the previous period. We have the GFS, the GEFS, let's see if I can get to it here, has still brings a trough here across the Great Lakes, strong ridge here in the west, where the other models, like this is, okay, this is the same one, like the GEFS, or the GFS, I mean, has a ridge here and also here off the southeast coast. So generally speaking, a ridge across the southern plains. So for this forecast period, calling for above normal temperatures for this region, and anomalies could be about 6 degrees above normal. They could be as high as 10 degrees above normal here and across parts of the southern plains. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the central and southern states, and the probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 29th to August 9th. Thanks for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.